Hello everyone, welcome to EduShield. This is Adhya, your CUET mentor. As you all know, a preference list can be the biggest game changer ever in the CUET admission process. So today we will be looking at all the colleges that are a part of DU and what should be your preference to place them in your preference sheet for the course BA English Honors. A little about me. I am pursuing the English Honors from Hansraj College. Currently, I'm a first year student there doing my graduation. Now, we will be looking at the colleges that provide this course and in what order should you place them in your CUT preference list. Before beginning, why should you believe me? Right? You do not know me, I do not know you. Then why should you believe me? Well, I believe that one of the reasons why I got admission in Hansraj College is because of the great preference sheet that I had. And I also feel that a preference list is something very personalized. A few people might place one college over the other, some other people will place another college over the other. But this sheet will give you a generalized idea as to how to approach different colleges. And I have made this sheet on the basis of the experience I have had at my college and in DU in general so far. And I have talked to a lot of people as well from different colleges to know about what is the, you know, culture of that college. And so now we will be looking at these colleges on the basis of infrastructure, college rankings, NRF ranking, faculty, and extracurriculars, and many other things, and a generalized idea to make you more aware of how many colleges are there and in what ranking should you place them. Okay, let's go on. Just okay, so as we all know, DU can be divided into three basic generalized categories of colleges. One is the North Campus, one is the South Campus, and then it's the Off Campus. For North Campus, सबसे ज़्यादा cutoffs जाती हैं, as we all know. So this is the list of the most prioritized colleges of DU. At number one, no surprise, there's St. Stephen's College, without a doubt. It's one of the most prestigious and oldest colleges of DU, and there's a certain reason why everyone places Stephens at number one. The alumni network and everything Stephens has boasts of that, the image they have formed. Then at number two we have LSR, great placements. Even though in English honors not a lot of people pursue uh, a job just after graduation, did not look for that. But LSR for your overall personality development, whatever you want to do, whether you want to uh, engage in other societies as well. LSR is the perfect choice. Then there's Hindu and Hansraj. Hindu and Hansraj में हमेशा थोड़ा competition चलता रहता है कि which is the better one. So again, this थोड़ा इस पे research करो अपने आप and you will be able to find out कि अच्छा this is something that I'm interested in. इसकी society हिंदू में अच्छी है, हंसराज में थोड़ी कम है या vice versa, and you will be able to balance these out और कौन ऊपर रखना है कौन नीचे रखना है, you'll be able to figure it out. If you still have any queries, do drop them in the comment section. I'll reply to them as soon as I can. Then we have Miranda. Miranda NRF ranking इसकी हमेशा टॉप पे रहती है. The faculty is amazing. The infrastructure is also amazing. Then we have Kirodimal and Ramjas, both great, amazing North Campus colleges, great environment and everything. Then we have Sri Venkateshwara College, that is a South Campus college. And even though it's a South Campus college, it's also known as the SRCC of South Campus, and it's again a great college. Then we have JMC, that is Jesus and Mary College, that is a South Campus college again. But if you are trying to pursue English honors, the faculty there is amazing. The extracurriculars are also amazing. The lit circ is also very active, so you might want to try that one, especially if you live in the South area. Then we have IPCW in the Prashta College for Women. Again, great college. It boasts of its environment. बहुत अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ का, one of the best infrastructures in DU. Academics में भी great college. Then we have Daulat Ram College, which is again a North Campus college. Uh, Great college. If you're a girl, do apply for that. Then we have Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College. यहाँ पे Sikh minority का कोटा भी चलता है. So if you are eligible for that, do try it out. Then Gargi College, amazing South Campus college. And with that, our top most prioritized colleges जिनकी cutoffs बहुत ज्यादा high जाती हैं वो हो गए. Then we will now proceed to colleges जिनकी cutoffs थोड़ी average जाती हैं, ना बहुत low ना बहुत high. But if you are scoring decent marks in CUET, these can be great opportunities, great, these can provide great chances to you. We have at number 14 Shahid Bhagat Singh College, then DCAC Delhi's College of Arts and Commerce, दोनों ही South Campus colleges हैं, amazing colleges. Then at number 16 we have Atmaram Sanatam Dharma College, बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, ट्राई कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव कॉलेज ऑफ वोकेशनल स्टडीज. देन वी CVS की सोसाइटीज आर वेरी एक्टिव, ECAs इज वेरी एक्टिव, so you can apply to that as well. उसके बाद we have Kamala Nehru College for Women, again a women's college, a decent pretty good college. Then we have Maitri, it's a very underrated college, इसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत अच्छा है, फैकल्टी भी अच्छी है. तो प्लीज मैत्री को लोग इतना भाव नहीं देते, बट मैत्री इज अ वेरी गुड कॉलेज, स्पेशली इफ यू वांट टू डू इंग्लिश ऑनर्स, सो प्लीज पुट इट इन आवर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट. देन कम्स दयाल सिंह कॉलेज, रामलाल आनंद कॉलेज, आर्यभट्टा कॉलेज, मोतीलाल नेहरू कॉलेज. ये कॉलेजेस बहुत ही सिमिलर हैं, ज्यादा मार्क्स का ना कट ऑफ में फर्क आता है ना कि फैकल्टी में फर्क आता है. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट योर पर्सनल प्रेफरेंसेस व्हिच यू वांट टू प्लेस अबाउट वन, above or below the one. Yeah. देन वी हैव श्री औरोबिंदो कॉलेज. ये याद रखना कि औरोबिंदो कॉलेज में दो शिफ्ट में कॉलेज चलते हैं, एक डे में चलता है एंड एक इवनिंग में चलता है. तो डे कॉलेज की हमेशा कट ऑफ थोड़ी हाई जाती हैं इवनिंग कॉलेजेस के कंपैरिजन में. ऑल्सो दे हैव मोर एक्टिव करिकुलर्स, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स, एंड ओवरऑल डे कॉलेजेस आर कंपेयर्ड थोड़ा ऑन अ हायर रैंकिंग देन your evening colleges. Then we have Lakshmi Bai College, amazing college again. Then we have Satyavati, a great South Campus college. Then comes colleges which have, इनकी cutoffs थोड़ी कम जाती हैं, but again they provide great, amazing opportunities, amazing options. इनको ट्राई करो जरूर, स्पेशली अगर CUET स्कोर जब आंसर किया है कि आपका CUET स्कोर इतना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, decent score आ रहा है, so these can be amazing choices for you. At number 27 we have Deen Dayal Upadhyay College. बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है, सोसाइटीज भी काफी एक्टिव हैं इसकी. देन वी हैव देश बंधु, देन वी हैव रामानुजन. रामानुजन कॉलेज में भी बहुत अच्छा आपको एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा. देन यू हैव जाकिर हुसैन कॉलेज, अगेन वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट कॉलेजेस ऑफ ड्यू, बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. देन एट नंबर 31 वी हैव जानकी देवी मेमोरियल कॉलेज, इट्स अ वुमेन्स कॉलेज. Then Dayal Singh College, evening shift wala. Then Shivaji hai. Then we have Rajdhani at number 34. At number 35 we have Shamlal College. Great opportunity. अगर आपका लो मार्क्स में थोड़ा कट ऑफ, आपकी थोड़े लो मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, तो कट ऑफ्स भी इन कॉलेज काफी लो जाती हैं एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कॉलेजेस. दीज कैन बी ग्रेट ऑप्शंस फॉर यू. देन एट नंबर 36 वी हैव महाराजा अग्रसेन सिंह कॉलेज, बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. देन वी हैव कालिंदी कॉलेज, सत्यावती, इवनिंग शिफ्ट वाला. Then we have Vivekanand College, and at number 40 we have Motilal Nehru College, evening shift wala. Now comes colleges जिनकी cutoffs तो बहुत लो जाती हैं, but unless you can get better options somewhere else, you should try to not uh, get admission in these colleges, but do place them in your preference list for sure. क्योंकि उससे कुछ जाता नहीं है, आप नीचे कॉलेजेस रख लो, अगर अलॉट हुआ हो गया, अगर इफ यू डू नॉट वांट इट यू कैन विड्रॉ. So at number 41 we have Bharti College, it's an off-campus college. Then we have Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College, again an off-campus college. Zakir Hussain College, but of the evening shift. Then we have Aurobindo evening shift. If you're not getting Aurobindo day, Aurobindo evening can be a great option for you. So the college will be same, infra will be same, societies थोड़ी less act, societies भी almost same ही रहती हैं. It will just be about the crowd कि शाम का crowd थोड़ा less active रहेगा in comparison to the day crowd. Then at number 45 we have Mata Sundari College. 46 Shri Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College. A lot of people make this mistake. वो Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College को they confuse this college with SGTB Khalsa, that is Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur College, Khalsa College. That is an off campus college. This is an off campus college, and इनकी rankings में भी बहुत difference आ सकता है. So do ensure that you always put SGTB Khalsa, which is a North Campus college, above, and Sri Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College uh, in the bottom of your preference list. क्योंकि two different colleges with similar names, so please do not get confused in this. Then at 47 we have Swami Shraddhanand College. Again, a fine option. But if you can get other options, do go for them. But preferences में जरूर डाल देना. At number 48 we have PGDAB College. इसमें भी आराम से एडमिशन मिल जाता है. कट ऑफ इसकी भी बहुत लो जाती हैं. Now we can just recapitulate एक बार क्या क्या बोला गया. See, we have three campuses in DU: North Campus, South Campus, and Off Campus. The generalized trend is that North की सबसे ज़्यादा high cutoffs जाती हैं, and best colleges are in North Campus. So you have to place them at the topmost of your preference list. Then we have South Campus colleges, and then we have Off Campus colleges. So इस order में ही आपको अपनी preferences बनानी है. You can look at your screen. आप screenshot ले सकते हो इसका. Free में आपको preference sheet मिल रही है, और क्या चाहिए. uh, yes, now, before I end this video, I would like to say a couple of things. One, making a preference sheet is a very personalized process, all right? I can provide you a basic, generalized idea that this is the common, ranking, but for everyone, every college is different, and they have a different set of aspirations and expectations from their college life, and you must as well. इसलिए मैंने भी अपनी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बहुत ही सोच समझ के बनाई थी. एंड यू शुड एडल्ट्स हो रहे हो, अब 18 साल के होने वाले हो या हो गए हो गए, so you should also put great care and effort into making a preference list that suits you and your next 3 years of college life. If you still have, I try to cover all this in a short time, but if you still have any doubts, do drop them below in the comment section. I'll reply to them. And if you want help with making a personalized preference sheet, I can also help you with that. If you want that, वो भी comment section में लिख के बताओ. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.